whatever I want. I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want. I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want. I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want. I remember being young and so brave. I knew what I needed. I was spending all my nights and days laid back daydreaming. But look at me, I'm a big girl now. Said I'm gonna do something.
What's up, little babies? It's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. Okay, it is spicy, it is sweet, it is kind. Let me show you guys how you can achieve this, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. I didn't get to show you how to put excuse the helicopter. I didn't get to show you how to put on the ponytail, but it's simple. I'll explain everything at the end of the video. And yeah, oh, can't forget, this style was definitely inspired by Smartista Beauty, aka Brie Hall. I love her videos. I love her natural hair videos, her animation videos, like everything. Like, I love her in general as a person. She's very, very, very sweet. So that telephone ring is my cue to go. And you know I'm gonna get hot, so I'll see y'all later. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'm so sorry, but every time I record a video, I feel like as a YouTuber, people like to do their makeup and just take it off even if they're not going anywhere. And although I do want to make my talent stronger and get better at it and improve, I just don't like to do things for nothing. So I was doing my hair for a special occasion. It was my good friend Brianna, it was her wedding, and I wanted to do this style, and I'm like, okay. And mind you guys, it's so cute, but I ended up doing the ponytail tomorrow morning, and I couldn't film it because I was in a rush. I was doing someone's makeup, then I had to rush back home, take a shower, do all that, and I just did not have time to pull out the big camera. So I'm so sorry that I didn't get to show you guys how to put on the ponytail, but I'm sure you can look up so many tutorials and they'll have that for you. It's super simple. So once I braided my hair, I just bobby pinned that, wrapped the track around, and then I wrapped a piece of the hair around, bobby pinned that, secured it and everything, and I defined the ponytail, let it dry, and this is what the second day hair looks like. The first day hair was wet and it was still like small, but now it's a little bit bigger and voluminous, and this is how I normally like it. And if it gets bigger, I'm definitely okay with that. I love that too, so I really love volume. But yeah, I really apologize for not showing you guys how to do that, but I think the main part I wanted to focus on was this part and show you guys how to slick it down all together, which I did get that over with. So I'm so happy you guys got to see that. And if you guys have any more questions, make sure you leave comments down in the comment section below, and everything that I use will be in the description box below. And yeah, just make sure you subscribe, share, and do all that good stuff. So now, yeah. Also, I did spray some hairspray on my hair so that the flyaways don't go up. But flyaways still come up for me. I don't know why. I still haven't mastered all that yet. But they still do come up. But it's not a lot. When I spray hairspray, it's not a lot compared to when I don't spray hairspray. And then you just tie it up 10-15 minutes. I say do it for longer so your flyaways really stay down, and that's that. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, and I'll catch you later. Bye.